Hey, are you a government contractor interested in gaining access to the government market? Well, you've come to the right place. Here at AGMS Consulting, we are designed to help businesses grow and develop their organization by identifying the knowledge gaps that you have within your organization and building your knowledge of regulations and requirements so that you can be successful in the government marketplace. It is our understanding that it takes anywhere from 12 to 24 months in order for you to gain access to any proposal that you will see on sam.gov today. If you're trying to bid on government contractors on sam.gov today, you're behind the curve. You can't be a Major League Baseball player and just decide that you're going to do it today. You have to put in years of work and gaining knowledge about the game and understanding about your physical attributes that you bring to the game. And only then, after you've developed this over years, can you position yourself as a professional player. It's the only way to do it. Government marketing is the same. You have to make sure that the agencies that you're working with know who you are, know what you provide, and know that you provide a quality service that they just cannot pass up. Distinguish yourself from everyone else. Don't come in with a plan that has not been fully developed on how you're going to assist that agency with what they're looking for. Come in with a dynamic plan that understands who you are, who they are, and how you're going to help support them. This is what they're looking for. Get out there. You can do it. Take your free assessment for government contracting. We provide a 90-day free assessment that allows for you to understand exactly where you fit in currently in your organization and how you can position your organization within the government marketplace. The assessment can be found at FedPlanHub.com. You'll go through a series of 7 questions, and at the end of that 7 questions, we'll provide you a 90-day training package to understand exactly what you need in order to be successful. Oh, and did I say our premium and advanced courses, as well as our mastermind courses, all offer one-on-one live interactive consultations for each and every course that you take. Because we understand when you are finished with this course, you're solid about what you've learned. AGMS Consulting, we're here to help. We're here to help you grow.